Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance limit orders. A limit order is a powerful tool that gives you precise control over your trades. Instead of buying or selling immediately at the current market price, you can set a specific price at which you want your order to be executed. This means you can potentially buy lower or sell higher, optimizing your entry and exit points in the dynamic cryptocurrency market. It's a fundamental strategy for many traders. To place a buy limit order, first, head over to the trading section on Binance and choose limit from the order types. Next, you'll input your desired buy price. This should typically be below the current market price if you're looking for a better deal. Then, specify the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. Always double-check all the details, including the total cost, before confirming your order. Your order will then wait for the market to reach your specified price. Placing a sell limit order follows a similar process. In the trading interface, select Limit for your sell order. Here, you'll enter the price at which you want to sell your assets, ideally above the current market price to secure a profit. After setting your target price, specify the quantity of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Take a moment to review everything carefully, ensuring the price and amount are correct before submitting your order. This helps you lock in gains. Once you've placed your limit orders, you can easily manage them. Navigate to the Open Orders section on Binance to see all your active buy and sell limit orders. From here, you have full control. You can modify the price or quantity of a pending order, or cancel it entirely if your market outlook changes. Remember, an unfilled limit order will remain on the order book, patiently waiting for the market to hit your specified price, sometimes for up to 90 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.